Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add multiple stocks into your watch list on TradingView at once. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView website. This is the chart as you can see. Then on the top right corner, click on the menu icon here. Click on it. And as you can see, this is my watch list and it's empty, as you can see here. So to add multiple stocks at once, just click on the plus icon here. As you can see, add symbols. And as you can see, we have multiple options here. We have the Euro USD, we have the XO USD, we have Nvidia, and we have Apple here, the Nasdaq, QQQ, I think it's the Nasdaq, Amazon, and so on. So to add multiple options at once, just click on every one. So click on this one, and gold, Tesla, Nvidia, and let's say Apple, S&P, and for example Amazon. And as you can see, the stocks are adding here. And after you finish, just click on the X here. And as you can see, we've added multiple stocks at once. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.